Hi, Tyler Natz here with the Lincoln Electric OmniClean System. I'm here to talk about the contents that will be in the 3M abrasive grinding kit. So the 3M products that we have in the abrasive grinding kit are fiber discs, Scotch-Brite LGB, and some hubs and backup pads. So you have all the abrasive equipment needed for grinding. There are 4 different grinding kits that can be purchased, and that depends a lot on the substrate and the size of the product, but the amount of product is all the same in the starter kits. What I'm holding here are the 982C 7-inch fiber discs. These are used for carbon steel. We have 36 plus, 60 plus, and 80 plus. Each starter kit comes with all, even if your project doesn't need all different abrasive sizes. So you have 25 of each for the starter kit. It's used a lot for startup, checking the life of the product throughout the process, so that way once you get the product and the system on your floor, you should be up and ready to go throughout maximum life of these products. So I mentioned also the Scotch-Brite LGB. Right here we have the 7-inch Super Duty. It also comes with the 7-inch Heavy Duty. So we cover the full range of the products that you will need. Different backup pads, there are 3. We have the extra hard, which is the red, the hard, which is the black, and the gray, which is the medium firmness of the backup pads. Now we'll work with you to optimize your process to know which backup pad goes with the product, but it does come with all 3, so we can cover, again, the full range of products that will be needed. We also have the hubs that connect to the BT30 tools, so we can have different tool changing to use all of these products in my hands here during your weld grinding and cleaning process. So when we're talking about upgrades, we have this brand new 982 CX Pro 36 Plus Cubitron 2 fiber disc. It's a great product, lasts longer, cuts a little faster than our original 982 C 36 Plus. When we're talking about starter kits, right now, the 982 CX Pro is not in there, but we can get you the product to get it in the system as well. So in the future, it will be added in, but right now, you get this for starting, but for production, we can get this 982 CX Pro product.